Wow, look at that. All the snow. Go, 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 go. What happened? So much snow. Eh? So much snow. Okay, okay. Good morning, everybody. My name is Henry Monartaya, and I welcome you to my channel, The Great Venture. I would like to say, first of all, thank you to my subscribers, my 21 subscribers that I have, which I'm very proud of it. And the reason I'm thanking everybody is because for the past 9 to 10 months, I haven't posted anything. Due to the pandemic, due to the fact that I went back to work, it was very difficult for me to put more content on my channel. But now with the second lockdown, I have a little bit more time to start putting more videos. My channel, I have been thinking about it a lot, and I need to make some changes on it, which I want to be working on. You will see that in the near future, so I will keep you posted of everything that's happening. And I will post, oh my God, it's a big cold today, and I will let you guys know how things are going to be changing on my channel. New equipment, new contents, new ideas. I would like to hear from you guys as well. Okay, so keep keep the spirits up. I know it's hard right now, but even I try my best here. Okay, see you guys, and don't forget to subscribe and notify. Sorry, I'm out of shape on these things. Okay, and here's a shot of how much snow we have in this year so far in my backyard. Add that to it. So we having that much snow, which I'm about to shovel. That's a snowman that we did 2 days ago. Okay, guys, we'll keep posting you with new videos and new contents for my channel. It's getting I have to get used to start doing videos again. Okay, guys, have a good day. Here's a shot of all the snow that we're having so far in my backyard. It's still falling off. I think it's -13 today. I did a little bit of shoveling. I will show you the videos as I keep posting more. And that's our snowman. Very sad and meat happy snowman. It kind of melt